how to make a budget. And if you watch to the end, I have a list of 3 benefits from making a budget. Hi, I'm Kerry, the Reform Spender, where we help you achieve your financial goals with confidence. Today we're looking at how to make a budget. Let's get into it. The 2 main parts of a budget is how much money is coming into your house, known as income. So how much is your income and how much are your expenses? So every single thing you need to pay for is classified as an expense. Another key thing to remember is, are there any expenses that you pay quarterly or annually? Because you also need to have these in your budget. Do you have any debt that you need to pay off? That also needs to be included. So if you have more than one debt, like we did, put them in order from smallest to largest on a separate piece of paper, so that as you go through your budget, you know how much overall you need to pay back, but you also have a list of the individual things that you need to pay back. Now, the best way to do a budget is known as a zero-based budget. So once you've got your income and your expenses, the difference between the 2 is how much money is over at the end of the month. And the idea is, so if you need to pay off debt, you pay a portion to that as well. If you're not in debt, you will see that you actually have money over. And the idea is that you plan how you're going to spend it in the month. So by the time you get to the end of the month, your total figure should be 0, because you have spent all of your income. So even if that is savings, you have spent it by setting it aside from your monthly income. Click on the playlist for more tips and tricks in saving money.